How to mount a miniature beam load cell. This is only for model MB miniature beam load cell. The MB miniature beam load cell is designed to be used in scale pits and batching plants or other locations that are directly exposed to the weather. Preloaded spring overload protection installation. The MB should be mounted to a flat rigid surface. Fasten the MB securely to the mounting surface with two 832 by 1 1/4 inch screws. Tighten to 24 inch-pounds or 2.7 Newton-meters. Torque is recommended for best performance. Now align the number 8 or 18/8 stainless steel finishing washer with the load hole. The finishing washer works with the spring, or in a spring-loaded assembly, by acting as a smooth guide to ensure that the spring compresses cleanly without damaging the surrounding material or sliding off-center. The MiniBeam load cells are designed for controlled environment applications. In general, they can be used anywhere a readout instrument is used. Insert an 832 threaded rod through the finishing washer into the load hole of the load cell. Now slide a 0.75-inch long compression spring with an 0.174-inch ID and 0.210-inch OD over the top of the threaded rod. A size number 8 washer is placed on 832 threaded rod above the spring. Secure the threaded rod in place with a 832 hex nut. Using a second 8 to 32 hex nut, lock the spring-loaded assembly into place. Once the MB is securely fastened to the mounting surface and the spring-loaded assembly is secured, the compression force can be applied. Please exercise caution during handling and installation of these load cells. The application of a force equaling more than 150% of the rated capacity, 7.5 pounds on MB5, 15 pounds on MB10, 37.5 pounds on MB25, and up, can result in irreparable damage. These units are not intended for submerged operation. A moisture-resistant coating is applied for capacities 25 through 250 pounds to protect MB series from high humidity conditions up to and including 95% relative humidity and periodic exposure to condensation.